Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz, and today we're going to learn how to play Smile by Morgan Wallen on the guitar. You're going to have to down tune your guitar a half step. So that just means you just tune it down. So if you just get a tuner, your top E string becomes a D sharp. You're just going down a half step. The A string becomes a G sharp, D string becomes a C sharp, G string becomes an F sharp, B an A sharp, E a D sharp. That's all you got to do. Tune it all down a half step. And then you only need to know 5 chords. A minor, a G, a C, a D minor, and an F. And that's it. And then the guitar plays one picking pattern for the entire song, and this is the pattern that you could use. So for this picking pattern, I'm just using my thumb, my pointer finger, that's it. You're only hitting 2 strings at a time per chord. So you just change the chords like you're supposed to. And then what I'm doing for the A minor is I'm hitting the 2nd string down and the 3rd string down. That's it. For the G chord, I'm hitting the 1st string and the 3rd string. So for the C, I go back to the same for the A minor, the 2nd string and the 3rd string. Then the D minor, I hit the 2nd string and the 4th string for the D minor. So you get that note in there. And then you go to the F, and I'm hitting the 1st string and the 3rd string for the F. So it's... And you just do that for the entire song. It was good to see you smile. And that's it. Those are all the chords that you need to know. That's the picking pattern that you need to be able to play this song. If you guys want to check out all my guitar stuff, I have a basic beginner guitar. I have my guitar in the description below. All the strings that I use, picks, all the recording equipment I use for music and microphones, interfaces, Audio-Technica, headphones, all that kind of stuff. It's all in the description below. You can check that out. I hope that this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another one.